Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go. This is the 2020 United States 1-cent coin, also known as the Lincoln penny, a small coin with a powerful history. On the front, you can see the legendary face of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Above his head are the words, "In God we trust," a message of faith and strength. Turn the coin over, and you'll find the Union Shield design, introduced in 2010. The 13 vertical lines represent the original American colonies, joined together as one strong nation. This coin is made from zinc with a copper coating, weighs just 2.5 grams, and measures 19 millimeters, light, yet full of meaning. What makes the 2020 penny special? It was minted during the year of the global COVID-19 pandemic, a time that changed the world forever. Some rare versions of this coin even have mint marks like D for Denver and S for San Francisco, and error coins can be worth much.